I'm back with another video. I'm be doing my makeup during a snowstorm. Just kidding. But schools are canceled today because it's really cold out. And I think there is a snowstorm. I'm not sure. I don't go outside. It's really cold. And I don't think people want to go outside today. So please enjoy. This is like a really bad angle. Fun. So I'm gonna do this ultra primer. I filmed a makeup video during winter break. Never posted that. Actually, I haven't posted a lot of videos, and I'm not that very consistent according to Fabian, and I should be, because I reached 100 subscribers like on Thursday. I like putting a lot of primer, I'm sorry. And I forgot to vlog that day too. So here's a video for you guys. I'm wondering if this foundation is gonna be my color, because I did get a little paler. Oh my gosh. Let me do my eyebrows first. Okay, I lost all my stuff. I have a mirror right there, but I feel like it's too far away, and if I go close, like, you guys won't be able to see what I'm doing. Okay, I think I did make a video with me doing my makeup. Did I? I don't remember. Oh yeah. And it's probably gonna stop a lot of times. Don't mind that pillow. I don't know. Do it back there. Okay. Better. Love that. Okay, wait. I'm using this NYX eyebrow gel, and it works so well. This is my go-to eyebrow product. And my eyebrows were kind of hairy, but I'm not gonna do them until winterlude, which is kind of like winter formal at our school. Well, it's not gonna be at our school, but like for our school. And they just posted that we could buy the tickets today, so I'm buying today. Should I do no makeup look? Bring that back. Look, they look so bad. Okay. I'm actually gonna tell you guys what I used, because the other video, I don't know what happened. I didn't say anything, and then I wasn't happy with it. Okay, so I'm using this e.l.f. HD Lifting Concealer. And I'm gonna get a eyebrow brush. Okay. I can't find it, and I don't feel like standing up and getting it. So, yeah. Okay, let's try to ship it out with the concealer. This is really bad. This is how you waste concealer. Don't do this. Okay, what if I use this brush? Use the concealer brush, guys. Don't do what I'm doing. I was talking to one of my good friends. I used to be really good friends with him, and I don't know, we just stopped talking. And I texted him yesterday because he posted something so funny, and it made my day. Okay, and then I was like, oh man, this made my day. And then I didn't know he knew I had a YouTube channel, even though I forever be posting it. And I posted that day that I reached 100, because YouTube is not on track. Why would it send me an email yesterday when I reached 100 subscribers on Thursday? That's 5 days ago. Oh no, I'm doing the math wrong. Okay, it's coming out right. And I made myself a frappuccino. Which one is the cold one? That one. It was supposed to be cappuccino, but I put ice in it. Because, I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to use this foundation. Maybelline Dream Satin look. Even though I have a really oily face, and I don't like this to be like, okay, you'll just see. I put a lot, well, not that much, but squirt in my hand, because I have like a big surface. I got a big head, and this bothers me because I don't know, not that much, and I just put it on my face. I feel like this is really dark. Like the other video, I did it when I had like, because some days I put on my I put a lot on my forehead, but sometimes when I use my face mist, it gives me like sort of a tan look, so that's why I use this. And I get a beauty blender. I wet it already because I washed it. Okay, a little update on, I don't know, but it's almost February, and this month went by fast, and it was just like not my month. So February might be my month, and it's the month of love. How sweet. I feel like it's taking me like too long to do all of this. Okay, let me put that on the floor because I dropped some stuff. It shouldn't take me this long. Like, the fastest I've done my makeup is in 4 minutes. And I never uploaded that video because I just wasn't happy with it. Like, I know I could have done better. And I was gonna do it today, but we didn't have school, so it wasn't like, this is it. Like extra makeup, like we extra every day for a week. But I don't think I could do that because I'm not even that good at makeup. Well, I think that it always takes practice. It doesn't look nice right now because my eyebrows are hairy. Okay, I shouldn't complain because I need to let them grow. Like, I really do. I'll probably do it Valentine's Day, an extra makeup look. Because I think Valentine's Day is when I'm gonna get my eyebrows done. Because the dance is like 2 days after that. So maybe I'll do a Valentine's Day look. Oh, I just banged it in my eye. Yeah, I'm gonna use the airspun powder, and I'm gonna just put it on my face because it's kind of, okay, I don't know, I like a matte look. I'm gonna use this Hoola Benefit bronzer. It doesn't have a lot. Just for my cheeks. I love how this smells. I lost my kabuki brush, and I'm pretty sad because I love that brush. Okay, where did? So I'm using this brush, and I'm gonna contour my nose because everybody always comments on my nose. Like, I'm not really insecure about it. So, love that. Then I'm gonna bake. And I like to let the powder sit because I don't care. Okay. Some people don't, but that's if you have dry skin. And my skin isn't dry whatsoever. It's like the oiliest place on the planet. Okay. Lala, you can't speak. Don't try. And a lot of people were asking me, because on Snapchat I posted this one thing about how my name was like supposed to be Alicia, and then everybody asked me, isn't that your sister's name? And I was like, yes. And my mom told me that the reason that she didn't name me that is because I have a cousin from my dad's side named that name, and she didn't want to name me that because like cousin was a few years old. So my name is, it's Adelaida Ponce de Leon, and I put it here like on the bottom because everybody like doesn't know how to like say it or pronounce it or even write it, and I have trouble saying my name too. And my mom never calls me that, if you're wondering, like in my life. And to be honest, I think she never will. And I asked her if I can go change my name, and she's like, all you have to do is go to the courthouse. And I was like, bet, let's go. So I'm thinking about changing my name to Lala because everybody calls me that, and I don't mind being called that. And I love my nickname. So I'm gonna go get my brushes. I'll be back. I'm gonna put mascara on now.
Mascara.
Yeah. My sister's in my room right now. You wanna say hi?
Hi, poopies.
No, that's how you write.
I'm gonna do my eyelashes. I'm gonna do my makeup.
You gonna do your makeup? You're gonna do your eyelashes. Okay, I gotta put the mascara because on my lid.
How do I do your eyelash?
You want me to do it for you? I just give her a spoon. Wow.
Wait, you have to stop. Wait, 1 year. Wait.
These lashes are
Wait. Okay.
I hate when they keep on canceling school because then we have to go extended time.
Well,
Not extended time, but like in the summer. I'm not trying to go to school in the summer.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, so I'm gonna put a highlighter.
You don't go to school every day. Sometimes
Using
you go
this
to
brush.
school, sometimes you don't.
Girl, you haven't been to school in 2 weeks, so you shouldn't be talking. She's been sick, and my mom's not been sending her to school because the days like she's been sick, I'm off of school.
What
She's
is
like,
this?
you should take care of your sister.
What's gonna this? What's this?
It's eyeliner.
Let me put eyeliner on you?
No,
On myself.
on yourself.
I can just have me go. I'm just gonna go put it on.
No.
Fine, you said put it on myself. Leave it right there just in case you need it. Can I have a lipstick?
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. I kind of not liking this whatsoever, so I'm gonna take it off because shouldn't be wearing makeup because I'm trying to clear my skin. But thanks so much for watching. Thank you for
guys, say ew to Lala's makeup.
yeah, I said ill because I don't like it, and I'm trying to get clear skin. Kind of working, kind of not.
Clear skin
So
is like
subscribe. Love you.